Today, the cabinet approved the Lokpal and Lokayukta Bill 2011. The amendments which have been proposed in the cabinet. In December 27 December 2011, in the Lok Sabha, Lokpal and Lokayukta Bill was passed. On 29th of December 2011, when we took the bill to the Rajya Sabha, it was debated and it was carried over to May 2012. On 27th May 2012, the Lok Sabha, there was a demand from the honorable members of Parliament. The bill may be referred to the Select Committee. On the request of the members, the government agreed and the bill was referred to the Select Committee by the chairman, Rajya Sabha. The committee was headed by Shri Satyavrata Chaturvedi, who was the chairman of the committee, the Select Committee, and they submitted the report to the government about 1 month back, 1.5 months back. There were total 16 amendments have been proposed by them, of which 14 have been accepted by the government and 2 were not agreed. I will briefly mention the salient features of the amendment that have been proposed by the committee. 14 were accepted and 2 were not agreed. The contentious issue was Lokayukta. Most of the members of Parliament in the Rajya Sabha have suggested that the Lokayukta, the bill should be passed in the respective states. Therefore, the Select Committee mentioned in the report that the part 3 of the bill, that is from section 63 to 97 of the Lokpal and Lokayukta bill, may be deleted, and in section 63 a provision has to be added that from the day the Lokpal bill is passed in the Parliament, within 365 days, the states have to pass Lokayukta bill in their respective states, which was agreed by the government. And secondly, the person who wanted to be a member of the Lokpal, earlier we have mentioned that he should not be connected to any political party. Now, little modification has been made in the amendment by way of an amendment, saying that they should not be affiliated to any political party. They bring a legal phraseology. That was also accepted by the government. There was another contentious issue which was debated in the Select Committee, and they came to the conclusion that the Selection Committee of Lokpal comprises of the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Leader of the Opposition, the Honorable Chief Justice of India, and one eminent jurist. About the eminent jurist selection process, the Select Committee suggested that right from Prime Minister, Speaker, Leader of the Opposition and Chief Justice, they should identify the name and it should be approved by the President, which the government has agreed. Then coming to the institutions, that is charitable institutions which are running hospitals and schools, they are being given lands by the government for construction of the school and the hospitals with certain conditions. Because we thought that since any organization or institution which is substantially financed by the government of India, they will come under the purview of Lokpal. As far as some of the institutions which are getting land, the committee suggested that the aided by finance, yes, aided by those for those institutions, aided by the government of India for those institutions, they should be excluded, which also we have agreed. aided in the sense lands being given to religious institutions, of especially the charitable institutions, hospitals and the schools. So they,
No accountability of that.
the,
No accountability on that.
they should be excluded from the Purview Lokpal. Other accountability will be there. Terms and conditions will be there.
Those who are funded, they are.
Yeah, they are coming under the purview. Funded by the government, it comes under the purview.
Who are get funds from the government,
They will come under the purview of the bill.
जिनको आपने जमीन दी, उनको आपने नहीं रखा, जिनको आप पैसे से मदद
उनको नहीं, अभी ये चैरिटेबल इंस्टीट्यूशन है, अभी ये भी कोई हॉस्पिटल चलाने के लिए उनका जमीन दिया, स्कूल के लिए दिया, आपको मालूम है ये क्रिश्चियन मिशन है, some other organization, उनके बारे में यही डेट they wanted the name that word to be removed, but financed it will remain. Then the other issue was about the temples, gurudwaras, churches, and other the institutions which are coming under the religious institutions, trust or mosque, all these things will be exempted, excluded from the purview of the act, which also we agreed. हाँ, रामदेव का ट्रस्ट रिलीजियस ट्रस्ट नहीं है, उसके लिए जरूर आएगा. Then the other issue is a very contentious issue which the government has not agreed was the Lokpal, after receiving the complaint, may suo moto without giving an opportunity to the person against whom charges have been levelled. They can order investigation, which the government did not agree. He said that opportunity has to be given to them, and their views have to be heard. Then they should order inquiry and investigation. Therefore, we did not agree on that, because in the original bill which has been passed in the Lok Sabha, at the time of preliminary inquiry, because the person should know what are the allegations that have been raised against him. He might be having the records to prove that those allegations are false. Therefore, that opportunity has to be given to him. The second stage, at the time of investigation, after the preliminary inquiry is over, then another opportunity has to be given. Another major recommendation that has been given by the Select Committee was, in the original bill that has been approved by the Lok Sabha, that there was no sanction for prosecution by the Lokpal. The Select Committee said the sanction is required to be given not by the government but by the Lokpal. Lokpal has to give sanction after going through the records, hearing the competent authority, that is the department concerned, or the person of the people who are in the realm of affairs, and also the person against whom charges have been levelled. Then they can. Regarding government servant, the government servant only competent authority comes. Otherwise, person concerned comes. Therefore, they said sanction has to be given to them. They suggested 5 other systems for the purpose of investigation, for the purpose of the conducting proceedings. They wanted separate directorate of prosecution. Government agreed. Then the director of prosecution should be selected by CVC. We have agreed. लोकपाल को पूछ कर करना, ये बताया, आपको मालूम है सीबीआई ये इंडिपेंडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उनका कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का अंदर नहीं आएगा, वो डायरेक्शन देगा, वो अभी उनका ओवरऑल कंट्रोल में नहीं आएगा, उसके लिए हम उसको मना कर दिया. सर राजनीतिक पार्टियों को मैंने बताया आपको, अभी हमारा तरफ से बिल में उसके बारे में कोई परमिशन नहीं है.
Mr. Swami, my question pertains to the locus standi of the cabinet to relook this bill as amended by Select Committee. Since Select Committee was constituted by the chairman of the Rajya Sabha and the report was presented to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, how come this bill, which was property of the House of Rajya Sabha, came to cabinet back again? Can you enlighten us on this?
No, as far as the Select Committee is concerned, yes, Select Committee has given its recommendation. The government's view has to go to the Parliament. How the government's view will go to the Parliament, it said the collective wisdom of the government will go to the Parliament. But we have agreed on 14, 2 we did not agree, which when the debate at the time when the parliament debate takes place, the honorable members of parliament in their own wisdom, whatever they decide, it is going to be final. Because it's the government's view we have given, select committee's view they have given, finally the deciding authority, the parliament is supreme, parliament in its wisdom will decide on this.